Look around and you might notice it. The America of yesterday is rapidly fading. But why? Join us as we explore the forces reshaping the nation. The changing face of America is not just about buildings, but about the very essence of community, economy, and culture that defined the nation for decades. One major driver is the shifting demographics, with populations moving away from historic industrial areas and into new, dynamic urban centers and Sunbelt states. The decline of traditional industries like manufacturing and resource extraction has left many old towns struggling, with economic activity consolidating in tech and service hubs. The trend towards urbanization continues, pulling talent and resources towards massive, interconnected metropolitan areas, often at the expense of rural and smaller communities. The digital revolution means commerce, communication, and even social life are less tethered to physical locations, eroding the traditional function of Main Street and local institutions. Cultural norms are constantly evolving. Changing social values, communication styles, and media consumption habits are shifting what American culture means, leaving behind many old traditions. New developments, big box stores, and standardized construction often replace unique historic architecture, leading to a visual homogenization across the country. Preserving historic sites and local identities is a constant battle against the pressures of modernization, decay, and profitability, making it hard to hold onto the past. While old America fades, we must embrace the future while actively remembering and respecting the history and foundations that brought us here.